NUP oye! NUP oye!
Mr. Waiswa did not mince his words. He was very particular. He said that if police wants to abduct people, if the army wants to abduct people, then they should follow the law. The law is very clear. If you want to arrest anyone, write to that person. Mr. Waiswa is not a capital offender. Mr. Waiswa is not a criminal. Waiswa is a very known person in this country. You want to arrest him, call him to police. Persons have gone to CID before. The same was said by the likes of Eddie Mutwe and Achileo. Eddie Mutwe was very, very angry. Why was he and taken to a torture chamber before being taken to court? We all saw that. They were not happy with what has happened. But all in all, we interviewed Waiswa, and I believe the committee will make its decision.
Oh, NUP? Everywhere. NUP?
Everywhere.
NUP?
Everywhere.
NUP?
Everywhere.
Again, Harriet Nenidiro, Doholo, here I come back again. We have finished vetting this team from Lango. We are saying NUP is strong in Lango, and this time we are ready to win. We are ready to go to parliament. I am going to stand, we are going to stand with one slogan, the principle of NUP, which is servant leadership. A servant leader does not dictate. We have a problem in Lango, like especially our people who come from Amolata, Dokolo, that are surrounded by the lake. Our people are being killed. We are being denied the fish and the water that made us bright. That's why you are seeing some of us. We have produced doctors, engineers.
Nze Sentamu Julius ow'eddembe ndi musanyufu nnyo olwaleero nti akakiiko k'ebyokulonda aka National Unity Platform katuwadde omukisa okulaba nga tuleeta empapula zaffe. Era empapula zino ke tumaze ziteekayo mu National Unity Platform tusuubira okubanga Bukoto South egenda kufuna omukulembeze omutuufu gwerudde ng'eyaayaanira. Okugeza wano wendi nti constituency baagisuulawo yali yagisuulawo naye mu kugisuulawo mmaze ebbanga nga nteekateeka bye nsobola okukola ebigasa bannabukoto South. Okugeza nina programs 4 nga zikwata ku muntu wa Bukoto South. Programu esooka ya bya bulimi, ffe tuli balimi n'abalunzi. Tukoya abantu okutufootola mu season ne bakugula mu jabala season bweggwako ne batunda bo ne bagaggawala.
I also want to use this opportunity to talk to our comrades who will not be successful, particularly. That, dear comrades, I would just request that, if possible, we rally behind those the party have chosen, because this is going to be a very transparent process and it will be conducted fairly. The best candidates are the ones who will be chosen. So rally behind whoever the party chooses for the better goal that we have as a party. Our sole goal is to make sure that our president with his team are declared.
Bol wunu queer, a wuyu, kena wuyu, NUP milgamga, mente, man governmente, men lodge, NUP oye, NUP oye, your leg, ra, sha, yeah,